Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update RSUs taxes with Fidelity tax reporting, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update RSU taxes with Fidelity tax reporting, begin by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab on the main dashboard. Select View Statements and Documents from the drop-down menu. Look for Tax Documents in the list of options presented. Click on the Tax Documents section to access your tax information. Find the relevant tax year for your RSU reporting. Locate your Form 1099, which details your capital gains and losses. Download the Form 1099 and save it to your device for reference. Open the document to review the reported amounts for accuracy. Identify any RSU shares that were vested and sold within that tax year. If any discrepancies are found, gather supporting documents from your company's stock plan administrator. Next, return to the Fidelity website and navigate to the Trading tab. Select Tax Lot Method to choose your preferred method for reporting your RSUs. Consult with a tax professional to determine the best method for your situation. Once you have decided, update your settings accordingly. If necessary, manually adjust the cost basis of your RSUs to reflect accurate reporting. After all updates are completed, ensure you save any changes made. Finally, print or export your completed tax report for your records. This ensures that you're prepared for tax season with accurate RSU information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.